Here's another way of how our clinic, Achieve Integrative Health, Acupuncture and Wellness, how we differ from all the 99.9% of the acupuncture clinics in Central Texas, right? We all do the same thing, right? So we have multiple providers, and all of our providers do the same thing. They do the same treatments. You may be thinking, huh, how is that good? How is that good for me, right? Isn't it supposed to be customized? Absolutely, it's customized. And what I mean by we all do the same thing, we all utilize the same treatment method, QRA. It is not acupuncture. It's quick restorative acupuncture. We are the only clinic in Central Texas to provide this technique uh, for our patients. And all of our providers are required to utilize the same technique. Why? Because this technique has been proven through results. You can look at the 500 plus five-star Google reviews. We have more five-star Google reviews than any acupuncture and wellness clinic in the entire US. So it's a proven result that QRA acupuncture is the best. And all of our providers are required to use this QRA because it's the best, right? We're required to use the QRA acupuncture on every one of our patients. That's what I mean by all of our providers do the same treatments, right? Now, I don't literally mean they stick the needles at the same place for everybody. That's not what I mean. We use the same technique for everybody, right? And some of you may be thinking, oh, but I've been to another clinic and they have different providers who do different things. So they have a different approach to things, right? And if that's what you prefer, absolutely, that would be the best clinic for you. But that you won't be getting that with us. Because in our clinic at Achieve Integrative Health, we are focused on getting you the best results in the shortest amount of time. And so far, we have not found another technique, another treatment method, acupuncture treatment method that will give you faster results in the best results in the shortest amount of time. So our focus is not on the technique. Our focus is on getting you the best results in the shortest amount of time. And that's why all of our providers do the same technique, right? Now, the technique will dictate where they put the little acupuncture pins, right? That will vary depending on patient to patient. But you won't get different types of treatments. And here's another reason why when all the providers in one clinic do the same technique, do the same treatment method, when that provider, let's say, you go to provider A, right? And one day provider A goes on vacation and you have to go get treated by provider B. If provider A and provider B, they do completely different acupuncture techniques and treatment methods and methodology is different, right? Right? Guess what type of results you're going to get? Different results. Exactly. Not predictable results and not the same results. The difference of Team Achieve is our team does the same treatment method. Therefore, every treatment you come in, you will get consistently great results. That is our promise to our patients, right? We're not here to give you different approaches, right? Which results in different varying results. Some providers in other clinics, some providers are better than others. So when you go to provider A, they may give you a better result. And then they go on vacation, you have to go to provider B, and provider B gives you worse results or less results, right? So to us, that's a waste of your time and your money. And that's why we have structured our clinic specifically at Team Achieve, specifically to provide you the same treatment method so that you get consistent, great results. And that is the reason, consistent, great results is the reason we are the #1 rated acupuncture clinic, acupuncture and wellness clinic in the entire United States.